With the whole crypto market in the green right now, looking like they're pushing the bears back into the caves, in hopes to see Bitcoin finally break that resistance level of 25K and go to higher grounds. We're going to talk about that, as well as a project that claims to be one of the best rebase systems in the whole DeFi space. All of that in today's video. Let's get straight to it. Welcome back to Hustle Crypto, that channel about crypto, only crypto. I'm your host, Bo. What it do? Back with another video. And if this is your first time on my channel and you like to hear about crypto, finance, and new projects, do your man a favor. Hit that like, subscribe button, hit that bell notification, share with your friends, share with your mama, share with your daddy, share with your brother, your sister, whoever. Just help support the channel. And with that being said, we're going to jump straight into it. Jumping over the coin market cap, you can see the market cap for the crypto space is a little under 1.2 trillion. So we're looking pretty good right there, getting back over that trillion mark. Coming down here, looking at Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin is sitting at $24,725. And the last time we seen Bitcoin at 25,000 or higher was roughly back in June. And as you can see, it's been trading sideways between 19,000 upwards to 24,000. It comes back down. So hopefully if we can see it past that level again, it might go to a new level, find new resistance line, support line, but right now it's just under 25K. And looking at the whole crypto market, you can see everything's in the green right now. It's looking pretty nice right now. A lot of people's portfolios looking real good right now. And a couple of coins that I'm looking at that I'm going to keep looking at my long-term holds. Avalanche sitting with 8 billion market cap. Right now it's at $30. So Avalanche's been doing pretty good this week. It's been pumping pretty hard. And now I'm sitting and waiting to see if this is a pump fake or if it's going to go back down. I wouldn't buy at these levels right here because it's high. I believe that it will go back. Not financial advice, just me telling you what's up, what I believe. You got Solana sitting at $47 right now. Market cap just double of Avalanche at 16 billion. You got XRP still at 18 billion, market cap at 38 cents right now. I'm looking for that to rebound as well. And you got Polygon Matic, another one of my favorites, sitting at $8 billion, just under $8 billion, is at 98 cents. Polygon Matic has actually went a little ham this month. People probably didn't even realize or haven't been paying attention to it. In the last month, it was sitting at 63 cents since July 14th, less than a month ago. And right now, it topped off at 98 cents, as you can see. So pretty much, it went up 50% in the last 30 days. So if you held on Polygon Matic, you made some profits off that, shouts out to you. And last but not least, one of my favorite exchanges, Crypto.com, which is Cronus now, they're sitting on a $3 billion market cap, just under $4 billion. And it's at 15 cents right now. I see this project really taking off in the next 3 or 4 years. They've been making some major moves. You got to go look at the reports. They got something in like Abu Dhabi that they're doing, setting up a shop out there. So they've been making some moves. So I'm really anticipating this exchange really taking off in the next couple of years. Okay, so jumping into this project is called Rain Protocol. But you come over here to their website, the Holy Grail is on the picture. It has a dope website. You can read it. It says Rain Protocol is positioned to lead a revolution in DeFi with the range-bound rebase token system. And we'll go over that a little bit later. But Rain Protocol gives a fixed APR of 1.7% daily compound yield for a minimum of 12 months. Now, holders will also have the option to amplify their gains by locking their tokens into the Holy Grail for 30, 45, or 60 days and receive up to 2.3% daily compound yield. So they're trying to change the game in this rebate system, you know, like how Titano was the first original one to do it. Then you've seen Spear. And speaking of which, one of the people who started Spear actually is one of the people in the multi-sig for this project. But anyway, coming down, it says Rain is a new finance protocol that makes staking easier and awards Rain token holders with the highest stable returns rate in the crypto space currently. And they're not even out yet. Now, Rain is on the Binance Smart Chain token because the rebase rewards the total supply is elastic to meet the needs of the 1.7% APR daily compound rewards, along with the 24-hour burn rate. The incinerator wallet, by burning 9% of all the trading volume to the incinerator wallet, where it too also is auto compound, thus creating further deflation before being sent to a true dead wallet. gaining sustainability for the Rain protocol. So it seems like they got a lot of things worked out, and they show us a roadmap. You can go on the website, look at the roadmap yourself if you're one of those type of people that need to know everything, which you should. And they also have NFTs coming, and I ain't need to lie to you. I seen a lot of NFTs. These are some dope NFTs, I ain't gonna lie. Look like I can get my hands on a couple of them, you know? And since this thing is like a Reign, like, takeover type thing, like Reign Supreme, they got a lot of different things like the King's Vault, the Investors Package, and a whole bunch of Royal Games and stuff like that. You can come and click on each one of these, and it like takes you to different parts and explain to it. Now, they are KYC'd and audited by Assured DeFi, one of the top people in the game. So best assured, they did their research and made sure that everything's up to par. But coming over to the white paper, I won't read too much of it because a lot of it, the main parts was in on the website, on the front page of the website that you need to know. But there's some things on here that I will go over. It says the range bound rebase token system uses a unique range system that automatically sells as price approaches the ceiling bound and buys as the price approaches the floor bound, keeping the range price within these limits for stable price rewards gains. So pretty much they got an auto buy. When it gets up here, it sells. When it gets towards this line, it buys. So it keeps the price in the range right here, exactly where they want it to be at. Smart. It says, why is the protocol taxed? In order to sustain the protocol with ample resources to upkeep liquidity, risk-free value, hedging against inflation, and provide funds to the investment fund, we included taxes into our protocol. What is tax? You're taxed every time you buy, sell, and you transfer your Rain tokens. And you can go down, you can see the buy tax is 10%. You can see how it's divvied up right there. The sales tax is 20%, one daily rebase plus one extra per day. And I'll go over that later on in the white paper. They do explain how that works. I know it sounds a little bit confusing. Now you can come over here and do a deep dive into the tax breakdown. They break it down to exactly how they come up with the numbers and how you do everything. I won't go over it. The tokenomics. I already explained this. The 1.7% daily compound rewards that you get. Now the incinerator, 9%, like I said, goes into the incinerator, and it shows the wallet address for the incinerator as well as the Binance Smart Chain True Dead wallet address. So they give it to you up front, let you know so you can go and see it yourself. Everything is transparent in crypto. We already know that. So those are the addresses to those particular places. The Holy Grail is that extra staking bonus for people that want to earn more. And they have the Holy Grail showers. What happens when the King Holy Grail run over? Everyone is showered with the extra riches, of course. So once per day, they'll give you an extra APR to 2 rebases. That happens within an hour. So you get 2 rebases bonus. It's between 3 and 10% extra. So that's what you can expect from the Holy Grail showers. Now the Royal Family tax, this is that 1+ rebase thing I just showed you not too long ago. So in order to achieve the longevity of Rain protocol, there's a few withdrawal measures in place. The goal of Rain protocol is to be a sustainable source of passive income for all members for years to come. In achieving this goal, we have put 2 measures in place. 1, the daily withdrawal limit per wallet will be twice the amount of your daily rebase amount. So they give you an example. So if Johnny is making $100 per day of passive income, the maximum amount he can withdraw for the day is $200. So his rebase is actually, his profit is actually $100 a day. They have a $200 a day limit. So say he saved up 2 days or maybe saved up 4 days. So now he has $400, but he can only withdraw $200 in that regular tax bracket. Now anything over that, that's when the Royal Family anti-will tax will kick in place. We have to pay more taxes. So that's just a breakdown for that. Hopefully you understand. If you don't understand it, you can come back and read it on that page. Now they do have Duchess packages for early investors. I don't know how long that is, so you can go in there and look. I don't know if it's still going, so I won't get into it. Overall, I think it's a good project. I think you should go to the website, at least take a look at it and look at the white paper, read it over for yourself. I always encourage people to do their own research. Do not take my advice. I'm a person just like you on a computer. I'm just recording a video, you watching the video. Well, that's the project, family, and that's the crypto market, what it's doing right now. Hopefully we can see Bitcoin surpass that 25,000 and see all our portfolios go up a little bit. Hey, all I'm gonna say is this right here, man. Always be careful because crypto is kind of tricky. You know what I'm saying? You know they play, it's always manipulated in the price. Just be smart, do your due diligence, and don't fall for the BS. You know what I'm saying? In the back, you see my picture on this side. Oh, wait. On this side, mindset is everything is one of my favorite sayings. And you know, in the picture, you see the little fish looking in the mirror, and he sees that he's a shark. You know what I mean? That's what he sees of himself. And you are a shark too. You know what? Anybody can do it. Anybody can make it in this market. And if you want to keep talking crypto, keep following the channel that always put out new projects and always give inspiration to people like myself who's trying to make it big in crypto. Hey, hit that like, hit that subscribe button, and you can check back in with your man Bo, and we're going to do it again. With that being said, Hustling Crypto family, it's been a good one. Remember, stay safe, do your own research, and always, always be hustling crypto. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.